Afternoon, folks. Right, I've got a kit here. It is a one-off kit. There is no other like it. I won't be doing another one like it. Not for a while anyway. But it's a big, big kit. And what it is a book. A fabric book. And when I say fabric book, it's 4 pages, 2, you know, front, back and 2 inside. But there's loads to go with it. You can absolutely layer it as much as you want. And I'm going to go through that now with you, of everything that's in this kit. You will have surplus, enough to make a wall hanging, some handmade flowers, lots and lots of other goodies you'll be able to make with this kit. I have to tell you, and I'm being serious, wait till you see what's in it. Now, to start off with, I'm going to go through the bits that's in the bottom of the box, but I will obviously pack it all properly. So I'm put in some of these satin flowers. Oh, yeah, there's another one. So you've got those. Then you've got some of the ribbon roses, different sizes. You've got the flowers, the little ribbons, some of the little flowers to petals, single petal things, so you have to make up the flower yourself. Some of those, some bows in the cream. You've got some vintage flowers. So you've got those bits in there. I'm going to go through the rest. Oh, there's another one there. I don't want them to fall out, that's all, because I've got holes in the bottom of the box. What I've put in is I've put in a strip of this. So you can cut them individually and use them in your project. You've got some, it's good quality of the leaf trim. So you've got that. Put the it's tiny bobble trim. I don't like working with the bigger stuff. I always buy the smaller one because it's a lot neater. So you've got some of that. Like I say, I'll pack it all properly. You've 6 flowers. These are them hard ones, you know, that you can paint, use your pens on them, whatever you want, spray them, whatever you want to do, and they'll keep the shape once they're dry. So you've 6 of those, just the heads. Oops. There we are. I've put 3 of those in. These are beautiful, so you can cut them up, you can take them apart, you can layer them, do whatever you like with them. So you've got those. You've got some of the, I think it's 2 metres of the eyelash, 2 or 3 metres of the eyelash trim. Just put that back in there. You've got 6 of those that you can take apart. You've some of this that you can take back. It's about just under 1 yard of that. So they, you know, I mean, if you're careful, you can actually do lots of projects with this kit, to be honest. You have a piece of that you can take apart. Piece of that. You've 6 of those doilies. You've 3 of those that you can take apart or keep as is and use on your projects. You've got some of this trim. I love this trim. That can all be taken apart. You can cut it out. Put that on a little bow. If you make your own bow and then a little diamond in the middle. They look gorgeous. So you've got some of that. You've got a fancy tassel. Like that. Quite heavy, that one. Then you've got the cotton eyelet trim. So you've got that. You've got the pink in that particular trim. That's not the Nottingham one. I'll show you the Nottingham one. You've got some of the stretch elastic one. Gathered. Quite a bit of that. That's the pink Nottingham one. Hang on, you've got that one that you can take apart. Then the 2 metres of the pink Nottingham. 2. It could be 3 actually. I can't remember. Took me all day to put this together. Oh, there's the other flower. You've got that you can take apart. Nice big piece of that. These are all the trims we sell in the shop. So what you see is what we sell. If it's not on the shop and you like it and you see it in here, then just let me know. And I'll make sure, because we might have run out on the shop, but I've not run out in the storeroom. So we've got that. I think that's either 1 metre or 2 metres. I can't remember whether they're metres or 2 metres. Most of them are 2 metres, I think. 3 metres of the bit seam binding. That's the one you can wet, scrunch, colour, whatever you want to do with it. I'll have to pack it all up again. And then that beautiful, beautiful pink and white braid. So that's that one. You've got these. I love this one as well. It's just gorgeous. I mean, you can also cut this. You can get 3 trims out of that. You can get those, or and the middle one out. You know, do whatever you like with them, or cut it straight down the middle and make yourself make it go further. It's completely up to you what you do with it. I'm trying to give trims and that you can actually take apart and make more use of, if you know what I mean. You've got that one. Tiny, nice and soft is that one. Then I've put 2 of these in, is it? Yeah, 2 of those in. You've got this one, which again I love, that you can play around with. These, I'm not going to take these out because they take ages to wind up, but I think it's either 1 metre or 2 metres of each. Of the satin ribbon, the gross grain ribbon, and the organza ribbon. Now it's a pink and cream set, as you can see, so kits. Sorry, I forgot to show you the bling that goes with it. I'm really sorry about that, but you do get all of this. Now let me put it onto something. You do get all of this in there. And like I said, it's not a cheap kit. You're getting an awful lot for your money. So you've got some glittered flowers, the roses. The diamante crown. You've 3 of these diamante bits that you can put things in the middle, but put a picture in. You have some of these pinks, plain. You've got one of those butterfly things, one of those to hang from it if you want to. You've got some pins if you want to make something up for a dangle on your project. You've got a beautiful key, nice solid key. Some bling. Oh, there's another one of those. A button. Some stamen. Mixed flowers. These big roses, acrylic roses. You've a couple of those. You've got some. These are ready to hang. So if you want to make a dangle for your projects. So you get, I think it's 1, 2, 3 large. 3 medium and 3 small. One more there. So you can make a nice dangle. Some blingy bits that you can play around with. There's another one. Little bit of bling there. Some of these, now not many will have seen those. You can sew them onto something, and then I put them in the pearly ones as well, the round ones. You just sew them onto your projects. Plus you've got some more blings like those. One of those. Oh, there's 2 of those. Some of these. Those. Little roses. Some beads. And some of those pearls that you stitch on. Got a metal back. You've got those in 2 sizes. But these are lovely, these little flowers. And I've put some more of those in. So yeah, there's a whole, a little bow. And some flat back pearl, large ones. A glass heart, some glass beads, some of the flower beads. Handmade with love. So whatever you make, oh, and I put some of those in as well. There's 2. If you want to make something like a strap that goes around the book to keep it all together, then you can put those on as well, on some ribbon. So the ribbon's included. But yeah, quite a bit there for you to play around with. In fact, I'm just going to take a picture of it all so people can see, because there is quite a lot there. There we go. Lots and lots to play around with. we went for a meal last night with my son and his partner Donna, my daughter-in-law. I don't class her as the daughter-in-law, she's more of a daughter. And then their 4 children, and the eldest of theirs, her boyfriend as well. We had a lovely, lovely meal. Went to an Italian restaurant in town. It was absolutely gorgeous. I'd been before with my sisters, but I just wanted to take my lot there. And, you know, give them a little treat. They loved it anyway, and I was thrilled. So you've got the pink diamante trim, plenty there to play around with. I'm going to put this back in because I don't want that getting lost. And I've given you, do you know, I wasn't going to do it, but I've changed my mind. This is the pearl, not diamante trim, it's the pearl trim. And it's beautiful. So I've given you, I think it's a yard or a metre of that. Metre, I think. Some 6mm, I think this is, no, 4mm trim, pearl. That's the luxury pearl that we have on the shop. And this is the 2mm one. And you have a couple of metres of that one as well. A bag with 20 pink feathers in. This beautiful, beautiful fabric. Now, obviously you can cover the book with it if you want, or you can just use it on something else. You don't even have to use it on the kit. You don't even have to buy the kit to make it up. You might buy it to use the materials elsewhere. It's completely up to you. But it is a big kit. Look at that, just beautiful. And I think you've a yard of that. So that's that. There's no more of that. That was the last of it. Then I've put this in, which is, we do sell this in the shop. That one. Just beautiful. We are known for selling top quality items. These, because you can cut them up. You can cut these individual or those individual, or keep that as one. And you know what? They make a really nice butterfly. Put that with that and they make a nice butterfly. I'm going to cut it. Sorry. Someone's going to want to see it. And I thought, well, now I've said it, I'm going to have to show it. But then you might want to use it in here as a butterfly. So, let me just show you. Look. They make beautiful, beautiful butterflies. So just think, you've got enough there to make several. Then we've got these that can be cut up and used individually, should I say. I've also included one of these. I've not trimmed round it. You can do all that way. But you can cut these individually and that. That's what I use on my flowers. 3 of those. The gold ones. 3 of those. That one, and I have to make sure they get them the right way. So, lots and lots in this kit. Our picture, now we do sell this pit. I think the picture's £3.50 or £4.50. It's on canvas. And it's our own picture. It's not to be copied. It's copyrighted is that one. So it's our own picture. We own that one. Then you've got the large doily mat. Which you could do the whole book with. If you chose to do it. Or cut it up. Or use it in your house. Whatever you want to do with it. It's completely up to you. But you know the video I've just put up. That one is, this is what you can get out of it. This is what you can make. The book I've just put up, the video, the tutorial of the booklet. Well, this is what you can make out of it, and you'll have tons left to play around with. The fabric, which is what I used on the booklet. It's like a canvas, thin canvas. And I did find some of this to put in. The beautiful ostrich feather. It's a small bit. I think it's from the ostrich, this one. They're beautiful anyway. Very pale pink. And if you wanted to, because it's cream and beige, cream and pink, you can also use that one as a cover as well. It's double. So if you wanted to do that, it's, you know, it's up to you. So I've put that one in. That's at my own stash. And then this is the fabric. We do have this, but I'm not sure if it's in the shop. I'm going to have to double check. I bought quite a bit of it because I found this to be the best material to do the books with. Oh God, my throat. It's like a rubber back. It sews really well, but it's like a canvas front. And there's plenty there to cover the book. You know, you can have that one way, that on the front, and use this one on the back, on the inside. It's whatever you want to do with it. And then you've got the 2 pieces of wadding. So that is the kit. It's on the shop. If you want it, first come, first serve. It won't be cheap because there is an awful lot there. But it is a big, big kit. It's a one-off, and that's what it'll be called. A one-off Shabby Chic kit. If you want it, go and grab it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.